What's up, gang? Welcome back to Sam Fan for Films. Today I have my custom police spinner from the awesome hit movie Blade Runner 1982. Also got some custom minifigures with it. This is a really fun build, more complicated but really rewarding in the end. Comment below even if you want a tutorial of it. So let's get right into it.
So first I'll talk about the custom minifigures that I made. So first here we have Rex Deckard, the main character of Blade Runner 1982. Obviously Harrison's Ford character, so I used Hans Solo's face here. No idea where I got this torso, but it looks kind of like the trench coat he has in the movie without getting a little custom trench coat. And these pants with these two pockets worked out pretty well. And then I got him with his pistol, like the futuristic pistol he has in the movie, and I got it from Brick Arms on eBay, so that's pretty cool. And so next there's Rachel, which she was a bit harder with her odd hairstyle and all that stuff, but I think I used this one here, which I think works rather well for it. The face is from Speed Racer set. I don't know what her name was in it. Then the torso is from some kind of like a Batman set, and then they just have regular black legs. Then lastly, we have Roy, pretty much the bad guy in the movie, super cool. I got Palpatine's tan hair piece. This face comes in tons of sets, like Indiana Jones sets, stuff like that. The torso is from a Jurassic Park set, because I like to kind of like the futuristic coat that he also has. And oddly enough, I have Darth Vader's legs, because it looks like the coat is kind of continuing downward. All in all, I think Roy, even though he looks kind of simple, turned out really, really well. Comment below what you think. And now for the most important part of the video, the police spinner from Blade Runner. I have it kind of at an angle for a little bit of an action pose right now, which looks pretty cool. So let's get right into that. So first off, the color scheme is a mixture of kind of dark blue and light blue, just because some pieces I didn't have in light blue, like these ones here. But the dark blue adds kind of, I don't know, it's like some nice, I don't know what you'd call it, like shading. But basically all of it is blue like it is in the movie. For the cockpit, I'm not quite sure they use this cockpit piece anymore. I have it from a Lightyear set, but I know it came in a bunch of Space Police sets and old stuff like that too. I don't know if they have it anymore though, but it worked really well for this. I wish these weren't translucent. I mean, they might be, I just don't know about them, but the black works pretty well as well. And then I have the colored flashing lights. Basically the piece I used for it was just a blue 2x2, and then these are supposed to be blue too, but I didn't have them. But they worked really well, so I get to stick them on and they look really cool and futuristic. As for the front pieces, as you can see, it's these angle pieces and one on the front, and then a circular piece to make it look more circular. And on the inside, I have a black little like 4x4 round. I have this black one kind of represent the wheel. I don't have a real wheel. It would look kind of weird, I think, with the size. Maybe it wouldn't. We'll see. Just a blue one, and then this kind of round piece again in dark blue, because Lego literally, I don't think they have it in light blue. But that looks pretty good for the front part. And then if we turn around on the back, we have kind of like these. I think this was like the engine part. Then I have this piece from a Batman set, which worked out really cool for that back little yellow part. Then you can just see kind of some closer shots at the side. I have something that says police there, just added better. And then as far as the door goes, I don't really have anything that can open it up yet, but you know, comment below if you want me to make a version 2 where it can open up, and I will certainly do that. And then we can flip it over to look on the belly, the underside of it. It's you know, nothing super special, but it's pretty sturdy. I got some flashing lights here on the bottom like it does in the movie. It's just black underneath there, kind of represent the wheel. Again, there's supposed to be a wheel there. I don't have one there at the moment. And then as far as getting inside goes, the door doesn't like open up anything. I just kind of take it off like that. And the interior, you can see there's not a ton there. I wanted to put seats in there, but it wouldn't, no one would fit in it. So, but we can get a little control panel there, and we can put, you know, Rex right there. Looks pretty cool like that. And then basically we just, there we go, he's in it, and he looks pretty cool when he's in it. I know he never drives one in the Blade Runner movie. I know, spoiler alert, not that really spoiler alert, but most people who haven't seen it, including myself when I didn't see it, would think he would fly it, but he never does. So that's how that goes. So that's about it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, comment if I should make a second one where I add some wheels, the opening door, make it just overall better. But I think I captured the aesthetic pretty well this time. Comment below which minifigure you like the best, and you know what custom build I should make next, because you know obviously there's a lot of Star Wars on my channel, but when it comes to custom things, I like to make things that Lego doesn't make, you know, like Star Trek and Tron Legacy, except they did, but not a light jet. Anyway, the point is, this is a super kind of hardish build, but I was able to do it in a couple hours, a few hours maybe. The hard part was really just getting how this back part's going to work with the front, and I think it turned out really well. So, see you, gang.